I'll be demonstrating the back-end user interface of the CDAI software platform. Right now, we're looking at one of the best-known works in the Lucas Samaras Boxes catalog raisonné, Mirrored Room from 1966. I'm going to show how we can update the record. We're now looking at the database back-end entry for the same work. The researcher uses this backend as a database to record all information, and then they can choose exactly which pieces of information appear in the published catalog raisonné. The software gives you two catalogs in one, a public-facing catalog raisonné and a private digital archive. I'm going to create a record for a new Samaras publication, an exhibition catalog from the 2020 show Lucas Samaras, Me, Myself, and. I will leave the artwork table for the publication table and hit the Add Publication button. After entering information about the publication, I can generate a formatted citation, which can be directly edited. This publication entry can link to any number of artworks within the catalog, and editing it once would carry that edit into every linked artwork. The Attachments tab allows you to upload documents directly to the record. Here is a scan of the catalog. Mirrored Room is illustrated on page 5, and another box, untitled from 1960, appears on page 37. Now I can link the publication entry for Mirrored Room and then use that same link to return to the artwork record. Here I can enter the page number the work was illustrated on, following the style guide for the Lucas Samaras catalog. Finally, I can click a checkbox to indicate that this new information should be published in the catalog raisonné. The media table is where we upload images. I'm entering a photograph and adding metadata about that photo, including the name of the photographer, David Garr. He has a separate record on the People table, which shows every photograph of his that appears in the catalog. I can also move the image into the Published column. Now, like the publication citation, it can appear in the Published Artwork entry. The Preview button allows me to see how the revised artwork entry with the new citation and image will look when published. But an additional step is also necessary to bring these changes to the published catalog raisonné. To ensure quality control and protect the data, our system requires different user roles. When the researcher has completed their edits and selected which of those should enter the catalog raisonné, they can submit the work to a second user, the publisher. After the researcher submits a work, the publisher can review the entry through the publisher interface and either reject an entry with notes explaining any necessary changes, approve an entry, or immediately publish the entry. Now we can return to the catalog raisonné to see the revised artwork record that includes the image and new publication citation.